Okay, alright, so example 2. Okay, we are still in what we call solution of IVP. Okay, so example 2, solve the equation d square y dt square plus 4y equal to 24 cos 2t. Okay, given that at y 0 3 and y prime 0 equal to 4. Okay, y prime 4. So solution. Okay, there are 5 steps, so we start with step number 1. Okay, your step number 1 is rewrite. Okay, we need to rewrite the differential equation in terms of Laplace transform. So you just put it L here, and then this y dt square plus 4y equal to 24 cos 2t. Okay, then by using the linearity, you will break it each of it. Okay, alright. Okay, then like I said before, instead of we write this term d square y dt square, we will write in terms of y double prime. Okay, now we're using y because the question is y, not x, not f. Okay, it's using y. So you will write y double prime t plus, okay, take out 4. So Laplace transform 4. The Laplace transform of y t. Okay, and then equal to 24. Take out 24. So Laplace transform 4 cos 2t. Okay, so for y double prime, you will replace. Okay, you replace with what? Okay, we are using the double prime lah for the second order. Okay, it become s square. Okay, s square y. Okay, y, not f, not x, it's y. Okay, ys minus s y0 minus y prime 0. Okay, and then plus 4. Okay, what is your yt? So your yt will become ys. And then equal to 24. What is your cos 2t? Okay, by using table, the answer will be s over s square plus 2 square, or s square plus 4 lah. Okay, so you have 24s over s square plus 4. Right, so settle step 1. Okay, we are settling step 1. So now we want to proceed with step 2. So step 2 say that you need to insert or substitute the initial condition. Okay, from here, they have 2 initial condition here, y0 and also y number prime 0. So you will substitute this figure or this number. So it become s square ys minus s. Okay, s, even though it's multiplied with y0, but s will remain as s. So you just replace the y0. So y0 here is become 3. Okay, minus what is your y prime? Okay, y prime 0 is 4. Plus 4ys equal to 24s s square plus 4. Okay, so settle step 2, we just substitute. So step number 3, you need to rearrange your ys. So this is ys, this is ys, this is constant here. So okay, s square ys plus 4ys minus 3s. Okay, 3s must be this side. Okay, because they have s here. Okay, for this 4, you can bring to the right hand side. So it becomes 24s s square plus 4 plus 4. Okay, and then same thing. Okay, same thing for this negative 3s. Okay, tadi saya cakap biar kat belah sini kan tak? Okay, silap. So you need to bring also this negative 3s to this side. So it become plus 3s. Okay, just remain ys here because we want to make it ys as a subject. The rest you bring to the right hand side. Okay, so rearrange here. This one you will have ys equal to, okay, before that ys, factorize ys first. So inside here you have x squared plus 4, and then at the right hand side you have 24s s squared plus 4 plus 4 plus 3s. So these things or these terms you bring to the right hand side. So at the left hand side we just remain as ys as a subject. So 24s s squared plus 4 power 2. Why power 2? Because you already bring this s squared plus 4 to the right hand side, so it's equal, right? So it means that it's power 2 lah. And then plus 4 over s squared plus 4 and plus 3s over s squared plus 4. So step number 3, you will leave it until here. Okay, ys equal to 24s over s squared plus 4 square plus 4 over s squared plus 4 plus 3s over s squared plus 4. Okay, so now step number 4. Step number 4 is to find the inverse. Okay, so to find the inverse, okay, step number 4. So yt, so means that it's the inverse of your ys, and it's mean by the inverse of, okay, 24s s squared plus 4 square plus the inverse of 4 over s squared plus 4 plus the inverse of 3s over s squared plus 4. So they have three term or three things that you need to find the inverse lah. Okay, the first one, second one, and the third one. Okay, we do it for the third one first. Okay, I will do it the third one, second, and the last one, the first one. So the third one here is the Laplace transform for 3s over s squared plus 4. So by using table, you can get it. Okay, maybe you can take out the 3 first. Okay, and then, okay, by using table directly you can get the answer. The answer here is 3 cos 2t. Okay, you can get the answer directly. I don't want to explain how. You just refer your table. Okay, you just refer to your table. Okay, for second term is Laplace transform for 4s squared plus 4, and this one is sine 2t. 2 sine 2t. Okay, I don't want to explain again. I don't want to explain how I get it because it's already, I already explained in the, if I'm not mistaken, in the earlier chapter lah. Sorry, in the earlier video. Okay, because this is the basic things that you need to know before we go stage by stage until these topics. Okay, alright. Okay, the first term. Okay, Laplace transform for 24s s squared plus 4 squared. Okay, clearly that you can see here, this is not single function. It's a multiplication between 2. Okay, so you can see that the first one is maybe, okay, I can split it become 24 over s squared plus 4, and then the second one can be s over s squared plus 4. Okay, when you multiply these two, you will get back your what we call the original one lah. So you can choose either one as your fs and as your gs. For example, I choose this one is your fs, okay, 24 over s squared plus 4, and my gs is s squared plus 4. Okay, so what is your ft here? So your ft here would be 12 sine 2t. Okay, and then your gt here will be cos 2t. Okay, again, I don't want to explain how I get this one. Okay, it's just using table. Okay, then the next one is fu, so means that 12 sine 2u, and here is gt minus u. So it become cos 2t minus u, and then substitute into the formula. Okay, and then get the answer. Okay, right? You get the answer by yourself. Okay, so last step, step 5 is the answer that you get. You compile the answer that you get in step 4. So the answer will be the answer in step 1 here. Okay, plus the answer that you get here, 2 sine 2t, and plus the answer that you get here. So find out this answer, so complete, you will get the final answer. Okay, right, so this is how this is all about the solution of IVP by using Laplace transform. Okay, like I said before, we will have another one last subtopic, and I will show you in the next video.